Have you ever come home excited to see your epic GoPro shots after a long day on the water, only to find that your best footage is messed up thanks to a stray water drop or two? Well, the tip in this video will help you prevent such a tragedy in the future. To start, you will need your GoPro housing, the Rain-X original glass treatment, and a clean cotton microfiber towel. You could use paper towels instead, but they sometimes leave a tiny paper particle residue which could affect your image quality. The first step is to make sure the lens on the housing is completely clean. Check out Mitch's tip on cleaning the housing in the video below. Once the lens is nice and clean, apply a few drops of Rain-X to your microfiber towel and start firmly rubbing it into the lens in a circular overlapping pattern. Give it a few seconds to dry, and then using a dry part of the towel, repeat the same circular motion until you see no remaining streaks on the lens. And that's all! Now you're ready to enjoy recording water drop free footage. The Rain-X adds an invisible hydrophobic layer over your glass. Instead of water cohering to the lens, it will now bead up and roll right off. You can buy Rain-X in any automotive store like AutoZone or Pep Boys, and probably even hardware stores. If you prefer to order online, I posted the link in the description below. If this video helped you enjoy the delight of water drop free footage, give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more GoPro tips and DIYs. Don't forget to tell us about your Rain-X experience and ask any questions in the comments section below.